Hey guys, what's going on? It's your favorite nurse turned entrepreneur, Alicia Dion, and many of you have been reaching out, but you haven't got started. And I want to encourage you not to overthink this. Travel is the sexiest industry in the world, and it's not on trial. And I do have some information that I wanted to drop in and share. Now, as I stated, I am Alicia Dion. I'm a retired nurse, wife, mom of four, founder of a youth nonprofit right down here in the great state of Texas. I've been in the travel industry since 2014. I actually got started because I wanted to save on my personal travel, and some of you can resonate with that. Me and my family, we took a trip a couple years ago to Disney. We paid over 5K. When I came back, this opportunity was introduced to me. Wish I would have had it before we went, but I was absolutely all in because I wanted to share more of those type of experiences with my family, but I didn't necessarily want to have to pay that price tag each and every time. But when I got into the industry, there was so much more that I didn't know I had access to. So I absolutely jumped on board and really dove in and made it my business. Now, here are some facts about the travel industry that you may want to know. First and foremost, travel is an $8 trillion industry that will grow to $15 trillion within the next decade. It doesn't matter if you and I participate in the industry, it will continue to grow. It's also the number one research word on the internet between the hours of 9 to 5. And I want to ask you, where are people supposed to be between those hours? They're at work, but they're unhappy and they're looking for a way to get away. They're looking for their next destination. Some of you right now have a screensaver of a beach on your computer, right? Because you're looking for those destinations, you're dreaming. And then we have baby boomers who are fueling the growth and travel. One is actually retiring every 20 seconds for the next 20 years, and they have those bucket lists that they want to fulfill. So you can get in front of those transactions and help them. My uncle actually told me, his name is Warren Buffett. He said, niece, he said, what you like to do should be a hobby of yours, but what the world is doing, you should make it your business. And hands down, people are traveling. Now, you're going to hear the word host agency throughout this particular information. And I want to tell you what a host agency is so you're very clear. A host agency will allow you to become a business owner by opening up your own travel agency under their umbrella. You get to leverage their relationships that they've built in the industry, their resources, their training, their technology to absolutely grow your business without the cost of opening up a traditional travel agency, guys. So that's what the host agency allows you to do. Now, our host agency happens to be industry recognized. We are the largest host agency worldwide. We are a 30-year-old licensed and bonded global travel agency based in Delray Beach, Florida. We have an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, signifying that we are doing very good business in the marketplace. Over the past 8 years, we've booked over $3 billion in travel. But in 2024, we are actually projected to book $1 billion alone. So that speaks to the growth and the power that we have here. Now, what you need to understand that there's no convincing allowed here because we don't have to. It's travel. We don't sell lotions and potions, but we do offer you beaches and oceans. You don't have to convince anyone to take a trip. They're going to do it anyway, and they will seek you out if you are marketing and advertising correctly. And we're going to share with you how to do all of that. People are traveling for leisure, business, bleisure. Medical travel is even a thing. Down here in Houston, we have MD Anderson, one of the best cancer centers in the world, that people actually have to travel from all over to come and get their treatment. People are traveling for dentist reasons. They're going to Colombia. They're traveling down to Florida to see Dr. Miami for their cosmetic surgeries. People even travel for funerals, honeymoons, weddings, and so much more. So you don't have to convince someone to do what they were going to do anyway. You just have to get in front of the transaction. Now, I want to encourage you right now. Do not go into analysis paralysis about this opportunity. Many people are concerned that they will have to recruit. No recruiting is required. Not only that, there are no contracts or quotas that have to be met. You can book as much travel as you want to or as little travel as you want to. If you decide to build a team of global agencies, you can always enhance your business to offer that at a later time, but this is not required. There are so many benefits to owning your own travel business. First and foremost, partnering with our host agency, You're going to get your own booking engine. You're going to become Expedia, Orbitz, Travelocity, where the people book on your website at 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. Both times you're going to get paid. Not only that, you're going to get unlimited training support, whether it includes webinars, live regional events, seminars at sea, all the bells and whistles that will cater to every type of learner. And you get to earn 70 to 80% in commissions when people book their travel with you and through you. And you're also going to get insider access that is paramount, guys, that you know all of the benefits that you have here. There are so many. I won't get to go over all of them, but this is what I want to tell you. Travel just makes sense. Many of you are booking your personal travel, but you're doing so as a regular consumer and not a merchant, and you're leaving money on the table. Some of you are already booking for your family and friends. You are their go to right now, but the only thing you're being paid is in headaches, right? And they won't even offer Tylenol up for you. Some of you are members of special interest groups, fraternities, sororities, right? Those groups travel all of the time. Would it be okay if you get in front of those transactions to earn that income? Some of you, like me, are parents of athletes. AAU, competitive cheerleading, those groups are traveling. Would it be okay to get in front of those transactions? Some of you are right now responsible for booking corporate travel. Would it be okay if you book like you normally do, but through your host agency and earn that additional income? And some of you may have experience in the hospitality industry, and we want to share with you how you can make that money double time, guys. Research says this: 85% of people book their own travel, and they do. There's 15% left for us to book travel for those others who seek us out, but 85% of people will do it themselves. We want to share with those 85% how to own their own global travel agency. Our travel agency and our marketing firm is a perfect partnership, and I'm going to tell you why. As I stated, we are the largest host agency in the world. Our marketing firm actually took our host agency from 400 agents to over 100,000 active agents worldwide in about 8 years. Our business model combines three of the most powerful industries in the world to deliver the most desired product in the world. The first one is travel. Travel, like I said, is an $8 trillion industry that will grow to $15 trillion within the next decade. It does not matter if you and I participate in the industry, it will absolutely continue to grow. We also have the e-commerce industry. This is the buying and selling of goods online. And we want to share with you how to become a merchant in this industry rather than act as a consumer. We want to give you that eBay and that Amazon power. And the last industry is the home-based business industry, which is helping everyday ordinary people just like you and I, guys, tap into their millionaire potential now. Our marketing firm is ensuring that we just don't have the ability to make money off people through our travel sales, but make money with people through our referral program, guys. So this is very huge. The only thing you have to say to people, guys, is share. Share. I've never recruited anybody. The only thing I've stated to people is before you take that next trip, you may want to take a look at this, right? We have 8 streams of income coupled with our travel component that people can tap into. You refer people to the business and allow them to take part in the same advantages that you do. We refer people to movies, restaurants, books all the time. Turn those referrals into currency. Instead of getting kudos, get paid in currency, guys. We have to think about how wealthy people think. They have multiple streams of income. Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, guys, Richard Branson, they understand wealth principles, so they create those multiple streams when compared to us not so wealthy people who are just one situation away from financial disaster. We need to create a source of income that we can control. This is everybody, hands down, guys. Now, I'm not going to review the compensation plan. You can definitely reach out if you would like for me to share this with you. Just know we have a plethora of people within our company making 6 figures, guys. We have 3 millionaires, and we've done that all in 8 years Our company is poised for momentum. So I'm excited to see where we're going in the next 12 to 18 months. And I want you to definitely be here to experience that and not just be on the outside looking in. There's no risk in getting started. You can actually test drive your business because we're going to give you a 30-day money back guarantee. And within those 30 days, you decide you don't want to make any money, you don't want to save any money, and you don't want to travel better too. Guess what? Our company says we were not a good fit. They're going to give you your refund. It's back in your account. No questions asked, guys. This is Alicia Dion. Hopefully, the information was beneficial. I'm super, super excited. People are planting their flag in the travel industry. I hope you plant yours. You can find us at wealthbuilderspromo.com. Use the actual sponsor ID of the person who invited you if you're ready to sign up. And if we invited you, that sponsor ID is Bama Travel. We can't wait to see you on this side of the industry. Bye.